We all know beauty is on the inside and different people find different things attractive. For some, it's all on the outside, while for others, it's something like a sense of humor or a free spirit. Either way, with different countries comes different cultures, and that leads to all 100 different kinds of beauty inside and out. Here are some of the countries with most beautiful women in the world. Number 10, India. India is home to some of the most unpredictable, earthy, and charming women in the world. We all know just how amazing Indian women can be. The most important thing about Indian women, she's most loyal and most kind-hearted, and Indian women follow their culture from pure heart. In India, different state women, different type of unique beauty. Number 9, United States of America. Oh yeah, our country. American women very sporty and fun-loving. American women have their own kind of offend and attractiveness. American women are known for beauty and also known for tall height. If any time in life you have chance to date American women, definitely never miss. Number 8, Italy. The Italian beauty, just amazing. Italian women value smooth, touchable skin and dedicate the majority of their beauty routine to moisturizing. That means using heavier, richer moisturizer than Americans use, says Pironi. They also make a daily ritual of massaging their skin from head to with body butters for hydrating and relaxation. Italian women also known for beautiful and attractive eyes. Number 7, Venezuela. They hold the title for the most number of beauty pageants won. Don't need any more info than that. I'm right. Venezuelan women undeniably champions. Number 6, Russia. Their accents mixed with their national love for vodka is a match that very few people can truly resist, right up until your lip gives up. Traditionally, Russian beauty standards favor women who are all about 5 feet 8 inches with long blonde hair and a thin figure, really very attractive. Number 5, Colombia. They have the perfect tan as Sofia Vergara so aptly shows, again beautiful and exotic. In Colombia, the cultural model of the ideal body for women has been established as having large breasts, a thin abdomen and large firm buttocks and legs. Additionally, according to these standards, a beautiful woman should preferably be blonde, tall and have light eyes. Is you like light eyes women? Please tell me in comment section. Number 4, Denmark, again European country in the list. Danish women are straight up gorgeous. They look like the wives of Vikings, which is cool enough for me. The beauty standard in Denmark is a slim, healthy looking body and sharp facial features that makes you look mature and eye-catching. Blonde hair and blue eyes are common in Danish women. Number 3, South Korea. They are cute, bubbly and have the best poses for pictures. Plus, they are boatloads of fun. South Korean women share the most cutest women tag with the Japan. The South Korea's exciting beauty standards are the result of several factors that have combined to encourage women to aim for pale skin, big eyes, a high nose bridge, skinny legs, cherry-like lips, a small face and a 9:1 body ratio, where the body is 9 times as long as the face. That really sounds good. Guys, what do you think about Korean women? Please tell me in the comment section. Number 2, Ukraine. Again, another European country in the list. Ukraine was actually voted as having some of the most beautiful women in the world. They are unexplainably pretty, and fact that Mila Kunis from here is also a plus point. The first thing you have realized about Ukrainian culture is that traditional gender roles are still rather common. There also exists a very popular theory that Ukrainian women are uniquely beautiful thanks to the uncontrolled mixture of genes and blood during numerous invasion and also assimilation of ethnicities. Most of the young Ukrainian girls are thin. With age, these dames become curvier and Ukrainians says juicier. Number 1, Brazil. Brazil is the country in the world with most beautiful and hot women. They are spotty, tanned and give off a natural beach vibe. What else does one want? I think everyone wants Brazilian women. Other side like South Korea, Brazil is the leading country the number of plastic surgery, especially breast implants. Not surprisingly, our current standard for beautiful women is large butts, tiny waist, big breast, and also darker skin, plus white smile. And all these things you can find in Brazilian women. So guys, you preferred which country woman? South Korean woman, Brazilian woman, Danish woman? Please say something about this in comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends, and please hit the subscribe button.